Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Ayan, so today is manglaag na pud mi guys. Ayan, so ilaag na mo ang 3 kids. Ayan, maadto mi sa ito dapit hane.
Blaafarveværket.
Ayan. So, ayan, pag-going na tayo. Ang weather today is kinda windy and a little bit sunshine.
About 18 degrees plus.
Yeah, 18 degrees. So ayan, nakasuot lang kami ng ganito. Hindi kami naka-jacket na no. Pero may extra kami, may dala kami mga jacket for just in case na baka malamig ang hangin. So ayan guys, papunta na tayo and see you there later. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa taas. Ayan yung aking mga palangga. Ayan, may ano sila dito. Ito yung may mga ano sila. So, so far, it's 2 time for us to come here. It's first time for the kids. There. It's first time to kids. Flowers. Yeah, come here. He's looking for ants. His favorite is ants. And not a beautiful place here. That's nice weather also, sunshine. Yeah, it's a lot of ants there. Tapos kakain lang kami for dinner kasi ano na din, late na kaming lumabas kasi nagnap yung dalawa, nagising sila mga 3. Okay, hold mama hand. Son. Medyo mahangin talaga. There's no hoodie that one. Yeah, I should take the other one. Enter, gonna enter. Hi, my love.
Honey, I have to find the clock there.
You want to eat now? What time now?
I say 4:50.
Okay, we're gonna eat first.
You want to have something?
Hi, kuya. Punta tayo sa restaurant, guys. Mag-close sila ng 5 ata. Mag-close ng 5. Waffles na lang.
A burger also.
Burger, yeah. Yeah, burger.
For kids.
Burger for me. That koboltgruver burger.
A cat.
Oh, they have souvenirs. Mahilig ako sa mga burlonoy. Wow. This one. I got this before. This one. Ang dami ito. It's nice. Nice.
Can I change the bracelet with the ring? Let's check the price.
Positive. Na, not gonna go. You have a lot at home like that.
I know, but
Oh, see, it's so cool. Yes. Okay, come now. We're gonna go eat first before we eat first. We're gonna sit here.
Where am I gonna sit?
He's looking fly or
Or
ants.
fly. A fly. Yeah.
The waffles coming snart. The kids have.
They make this stuff themselves.
Oh,
Butter.
burger.
Give me the
Is that farine burger? Is
Fly
it farine bread?
I don't know.
It's farine.
I see.
Okay, baby, eat now.
Mama.
This is my food.
Oh, open up.
This one.
Mama.
That's it.
And
A fly. Oh,
Looking
oh,
for
oh,
fly again.
Fly. I need more. Wash. Again.
you want sugar? Okay, eat lang. Wow.
We can take out money now.
We are out, yeah. I'm done here. Tapos na ako. We are done here, guys. Done here. I'm gonna take this one, my love. Yan, naglaro mo na ang tatlo. Yeah, akan ko inada, ba inada? Hi, Kuya. It's a Ford. This is Ford. The name of this one is Ford.
A fart?
Yeah.
It's something missing.
It is inside in here. Parnassus.
I'm gonna have when I come to school classes.
Like
Oh,
you can,
look at this.
you have
Oh,
old fashioned.
that the kitchen look like this.
You have books. Yan, yung
And a sink where you're washing yourself and everything.
yeah,
And for soap.
yeah. If they want to play here.
I think.
Yeah, the driver is Alexander.
The one that is taking care. Mama.
The house around the tree.
It's cold when. Yan, punta tayo dyan. Oh, yeah.
I don't want sobrang. Let's go fish. Let's go live. Let's go live. Fish. Papa.
Wow.
Mama.
Pushikti, boys. Nar. Okay, mama, tabil na po dayda.
Gå försiktigt, Holly.
Hold mama, my love.
Oh, my God.
Oh, enough na. Inside here. What is inside? So you can see also. Yan mga old fashion na mga gamit. It's amazing. Wow. May mga libro. From Uy. You see her? From Denmark. From Denmark. Brazil. Very cute one. Okay. We have like this in Philippines.
Ja, det är kvarts, ja. Detta gör de sådana, detta bergskistar, sådana lampor då, så slipar. Och titta,
Yeah, from
en
there.
flintkniv is
From
flint.
Run, Sander, run! Go! Go, run! Run! Ate and Kuya is far now.
Run, Alexander, run! Yeah, run!
Okay.
Yeah, come, run!
Okay.
He's tired now. The little boy is tired. Tysta no? What is that?
Mommy.
Här är det troll.
Troll. Ay, scary troll.
Alex, go inside.
Go inside here. Go around. Go around there.
It's dark.
Oh, nej, jag kommer bli mäkta. Go, Alex.
Oh, it's dark there.
No, you can go inside there and go around and coming out here. Maybe it's more troll.
Okay, Ate, go.
Yeah. Kom igen, Sara där. Oj, ja. Du kan stå upp, Alexander.
Go, Alex.
Go, Kuya, also.
Kom från här borta.
Yeah. Go there.
Här kommer ni här. Här kommer de. Såg du några troll?
Yeah. Yeah. To blink. Okay. So blink. Come na, Kuya.
Inside. Sara.
It's close here.
Kanalen skulle vara här, så skulle jag säga.
Oh, you see, B? What did you see, B? What do you see?
Look.
Is it good?
Wow.
Dapat na ilingkuranan para makita ko nga ba.
Det ser långt, ja. Ser långt bort.
Oh, yeah.
Så. Där slår den backen ner. Där. Ser du slalombacken där?
Är det lite där?
Ja. Du ser långt.
Ja.
Mommy looking. She looking far away.
I'd like to be careful.
Mommy don't see vacation. The slalom hill is there. You have to move up and down. Now it's too much down. You see the slalom hill?
We go home na guys. Tapos na kami dito. Wala nang tao-tao. Say hi. Bye-bye guys.
Hi, bye-bye.
Hi, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, bye-bye.
Hi.
Take the little boy. Bye-bye guys.